Good afternoon. Today we look at addition and subtraction of number bases, and we'll begin by looking at how we can add or subtract number bases, that is in base 8. So in base 8, as we all know, all our calculations in base 8 use 8 digits. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, as well as 0. So there are 8 digits. Basically, the base, which is 8, then minus 1. So we'll talk about 7 going downwards. Those are the only numbers that should appear in all our working when we are in base 8. There is no single 8 in base 8, just like there is no single 10 when we are in base 10. So looking at the examples that we have, the first one says add 26 base 8 to 15 base 8. So we can write it in this manner: 26 base 8, then we are adding with 15 base 8. So we can do that. Now, when we add 6 plus 5, it is giving us 11. Now, because we are in base 8, we've gone beyond. The limit is 8. So what we'll do is we'll find the difference between what we have found here as well as the base itself. So if we find 11, we'll subtract. That is 11 minus 8. It will give us 3. So we'll write 3 here. And then that is, when we add 11 minus 8, that 8, because it is going in, the 8 is going into 11 once. That number of times will carry it to the next number. So if we carry it to the next number, then it means that 1 plus this 2 becomes 3, and then plus this 1, it will become 4. So that means our answer is just going to be 43 base 8. So that is our addition there. 6 plus that, 11. Then in 11, we'll say 8 into 11. It goes in once. Then the remainder is 3. We write the remainder. That number of times it goes in, we carry it to the next, and that's how we got 43. We can also look at how we can subtract 26 base 8 minus 31 base 8. So basically what we are doing is just the same. In our subtraction here, rather we are saying subtract 26 base 8 from 38. So I think let me put this one to be the first one, the bigger one, 31, and then here we have 26 like that. So if we are to subtract, we know that 1 is less than 6. Here, if it were in grade 1, we would say it can't. So what we'll do is we'll get an 8 from there, 1 8. Now 1 8, that 1, if we get it, it is not just 1, but it is an 8. So that 8 plus this 1 makes it 9. Now from those 9, we now subtract 6. So if we get it from here, we get that 1, the 8, and then plus the 1, it makes it 9. From 9, we now subtract the 6. So it will give us 3. We write 3 here. And then since we've gotten 1 8 from here, there are now just 2 8s that are remaining. And then 2 minus 2 is just 0. So the answer is just 3 base 8. So this is how we can do our subtraction when we are in base 8. I think I can give you one more. Maybe let's say if we have 4 3 1 base 8, and then we also have 2 5 6 base 8. subtracting these. So still, we just do the same. When we get a 1, that 1 is 8. So 1 8 plus the 1 here. 8 plus 1, 9, minus 6, 3, we write the 3. Here, there are now 2 8s that are remaining. So out of the 2, still if we want to subtract 5 from 2, this one is smaller, so we'll get an 8 from here. That 8 we've gotten, we add with the 2 8s that are remaining here. So 8 plus 2, that is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. We'll write 5 here. And then here, there are now 3 that are remaining. From the 3, if we subtract 2, we are getting 1. Then we see 8. So that will be our answer. That is our answer if we do our subtraction. Let me just write some questions that you can try. So you can go through these questions, check your answers to see if they are okay. That is, you can either add, when you add, try and subtract to see what difference they are getting. See if you can get back to the answer that you have. Thank you for watching.